Good morning, students. Welcome to our channel Pipasa Pathshala. Today we will write a letter to your father describing about your preparation for the annual examination. ବାର୍ଷିକ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତି ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରି ପିତାଙ୍କ ନିକଟକୁ ପତ୍ର। ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର 12 July 2025. Respected Papa, I received your letter and money yesterday. I am happy to know that you all are well there. In the letter, you wanted to know about my preparation for my upcoming final examination. You will be glad to know that my preparation for the examination is better than before. You know that I am weak in mathematics, but now I have overcome this problem because our school arranged special coaching for the subject. Moreover, I have already completed all the syllabus of every subject, so I can assure you that I will secure good marks in this examination. Don't worry for me, Papa. I have no problem here living in the hostel. Convey my regards to mother. Yours ever, Anil. Address 2 Rajendra Ratha at Siswa, Post Office Banki, District, Cuttack. From Anil Ratha at Chakisiani, Post Office Rasulgarh, Bhubaneswar, District, Khordha. This is all about the letter. Thank you.